Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about setting up your voicemail provided by VoicePro. We are going to go over the voicemail setup, including accessing voicemail settings, listening to your messages, changing folders, accessing advanced options, and also accessing mailbox options. Let's get started with the voicemail setup. To initially set up voicemail, you are going to press the message key on your phone, or you can dial star and your extension number. Then you will enter your password, which is your extension number. After that, you will be guided through the process of a first-time setup. Follow the prompts to set up your name, greetings, and a new password. You should change your password when prompted to something other than your extension. If you leave your extension number as your password, each time you access your voicemail box, you will hear the setup wizard again. Moving along to accessing your voicemail settings. There are two ways to access your voicemail from your phone. You can press the star key and then your extension and then dial, or you can press star 5000 and then press dial. Once your phone dials your mailbox, you will then be prompted to enter your mailbox password using the phone's keypad. Remember, your password is your extension number by default. Once you are in your mailbox, the phone will list the options available to you. Next, you will find the menu options and corresponding numbered choices. If you have no messages, the Listen to Messages option will not be listed. To start off the menu choices, the first option you will hear is press 1 to listen to your messages. Remember, you will only hear that if you have messages. Also, while listening to a message, you can press star to rewind or pound to fast forward. After you have pressed 1, you will then hear the following options. Press 3 to access the advanced options. The advanced options include press 1 to reply to a message, press 3 for the message envelope, press 5 to leave a message, and press star to return to the menu. Now, if that's not the option you are looking for, the next option would be press 5 to repeat the message, press 6 to play the next message, press 7 to delete or undelete the message, press 8 to forward the message. The options to forward the message include press 1 to forward the message to an extension, press 2 to forward the message using the directory. But if you are not looking to forward a message, you would hear the following options. Press 9 to save the message, press star for help, and last, press pound to exit out of messaging. Next, on the menu choices, you will hear the option to press 2 to change mailbox folders. After you have pressed 2, you will hear the following options. Press 0 for new messages, press 1 for old messages, press 2 for work messages, press 3 for family messages, press 4 for friends messages, and press pound to cancel and return to the main menu. The following option on the menu choices is press 3 for advanced options. After you have pressed 3, you will then hear the following options. Press 5 to leave a message, or press star to return to the main menu. The next option on the menu choices is press 0 for the mailbox options. After pressing 0, you will then hear the following options. Press 1 to record your unavailable message. Press 2 to record your busy message. Press 3 to record your name. Press 4 to record your temporary greeting. Press 5 to change your password. and press star to return to the main messaging menu. And lastly, you will hear press star for help or press pound to exit messaging. We thank you for learning more about your voicemail from VoicePro.